If you are on MyFitnessPal for Android, this is how you would enter foods in grams. And the reason that I use grams is because I weigh most of my solid foods on a food scale in grams to make sure that it is the most accurate. For instance, if you were going to eat a banana and you went in to MyFitnessPal and typed in banana, searched it, one medium. Well, what is one medium banana? If you've been weighing your food or weighing your fruit, you know that a banana can range anywhere from 80 grams to 150 grams, and that's going to be a pretty big difference in calories and in carbs. So when at all possible, go in and when you eat a banana, weigh your banana and say it's 125 grams. You want to look down this list and just find any entry that has the G next to it. So any of these would work. We've got, except for the top one where it says one medium. We don't know what that means. Or one piece. Don't know what that means. So let's use this. Okay, here's one. Medium banana, 118 grams. So you're going to go in. You can hit either serving size or number of servings, and it'll bring you up to here. And you're going to do the drop-down list and hit 1 gram. And you want one, if your banana is 125 grams, you'll want 125 servings of 1 gram. And that will give you the exact portion size that you're eating. So 111 calories, almost 27 carbs. And that will get you a lot more accurate than simply just putting in one medium banana.